Hey, how's it going, guys? So I thought I'd make a quick video on these JBL NC235 true wireless headphones. So it's got 8 hours of playtime plus 24 hours with the case. Now, if you have the ANC off, active noise cancellation, you'll get 10 hours of playtime and 30 hours with the case. Whenever they die, you can put them back in the case will charge them. Yeah, these are great. I've been keeping my eye out on these JBL, the older model, the JBL 230 NC. They came out with these new JBL 235 NC true wireless headphones, and I guess these ones, they fixed the bugs that the 230s had. I've been using mine for a couple days now, and I've had the noise cancellation on. I know it says 8 hours on the box, but I listened for about 10 hours and it still had, I think it was still at 30% just on the earbuds. Another cool feature with these is that, so if you put 10 minutes into charging them, you can get 2 hours of playtime. So it's kind of a quick charge feature. Another thing is they're water resistant. I know with some of these true wireless headphones, like the Beats, I've had Beats before, those true wireless Beats earbuds. Those hurt my ears after, I'd have them in for about 2 hours and they'd start hurting my ears. And I think it was because they were just so bulky, so they put a little bit of strain or pressure on your ears, and after a while your ears start getting sore. These don't. I can have these in all day. Like yesterday, I had these in for over 10 hours and I forgot they were in my ear half the time. The sound quality on these is really nice. I really love the sound quality on these. The price, I really love the price of them, especially for JBL. I got mine on sale at Best Buy, and actually they're, as I'm making this video right now, they're on sale for $60, and it comes with a 3-month YouTube premium. But anyway, what you get in the box is obviously you get charging case and what holds the earbuds. I actually have one in right now. Safety instructions. And then you also get your quick start guide. And it actually comes with an app, which is nice, because I know when I had my Beats, it came with an app so I can control the sound settings and everything. And this one comes with an app, and I'll be going over that app here soon. And here's a quick picture of the controls. Then what else you get in the box? You get charger with it. It's kind of small. I think it's only like 6 inches. But comes with a charger, Type-C. Comes with the ones in the box, they're small and large. On the earbuds, I've got medium in right now. And then the other thing is the case. Now the case is kind of spring loaded, so it'll actually stay open. The lid will. And it also has like almost like a magnetic close to it. And it also tells you how charged the case is. And then the earbuds themselves. That's your button right there. So whenever you got them in your ears, you can either tap, depending on what settings you have on yours. You can tap once, tap twice, hold. Real quick, I'm gonna go over the controls on the earbuds, and we'll go over that real quick. So then once you go through the quick start guide, get your headphones connected through Bluetooth, get the app downloaded. Click on the app, you'll come to a screen like this. Click on the earbud icon. Now this brings you to the screen to where it tells you what percentage your earbuds are charged to, and it also tells you what your carry case's charge is currently at. And then down here you've got your ambient aware, which I have mine on right now, and you have your talk through. And then down here you'll be able to put a custom equalizer on your headphones, so you can actually custom tune yours, or you can go through the preset ones. I have mine set on bass. I think the other ones are jazz, vocal, studio. There's a couple other ones. Right here you can go through gestures, and mine's grayed out because I'm taking a video right now, but these were the controls I was talking about earlier. So right now I have my right earbud on playback control, so that would be for music. I have my left one for ambient sound control. With the ambient sound control, my left one, I tap once, it changes it to ambient aware. Tap it again, it changes it to the noise cancellation. So with that app, you'll be able to change the settings on each earbud on what they control. So you can cycle through, if you've got your settings on your right earbud, let's say for the noise control, they will cycle through the noise cancellation, the ambient aware, and the talk through. And then there's some other gestures you can change on each earbud in the app. Yeah, my review on these, I really like them. When I'm at home, I'll throw these in, click the noise cancellation ANC setting on, start doing what I'm doing. And then with phone calls, like, you know, with my settings right now, get a phone call, tap it once, answers it, get done with the phone call, tap it again, hangs up. After you hang up, if you're playing music, turns the music back on. Eventually what I want to do in the future with these, and I've got to look online, I want to get a case for these because I know they make cases for the AirPods, Apple AirPods, and the other wireless headphones. I know they make cases for them, and I want to see about getting a case for mine. But shout out to JBL for these headphones. These are really good headphones. I think that'll sum this up from Handyman's perspective. I think these are pretty good headphones. I'd really recommend getting a pair of these. And I'll be coming out with more content about this guy right here if you want to watch it. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications every time I come out with videos. That'll wrap up this video. We'll see you guys on the next one.